Hello guys, in this video today I will be showing you what I think is the best photo editing software in Microsoft Store that is free and can be easily used. To begin with, how will you install that? It's pretty easy. You just go to the Microsoft Store, which is here, and you're gonna need to search. Let me see how it's called. Adobe Photoshop Express. So Adobe Photoshop Express. And as I already have it, you just install it. You can even install it, I think, on your phone, if I'm sure. But yeah, you just install this, um, and it's free. It's easy to use, and everybody can edit photos in this. It's pretty damn easy. So yeah, after this, you can press launch, or you can just search it up. Search it up here. So yeah, I'm just gonna launch it from here. Um, let's just wait for a second. Okay, it doesn't want to launch from here, I guess. Let me let me try again. Okay, it did launch now. Okay, good. So here's the thing. You have unique looks that you can choose from already pre-made. You can remove some stuff if you're into that kind of stuff. I personally don't know how to do this stuff, but you can do it. You can remove noise. You can remove red eyes. You can heal some spots and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a pretty damn easy program. You can do some simple stuff, or you can get into advanced stuff like we can see here with remove noise and stuff. So yeah. Um, okay, so do need you to sign in. What I will do is just use my Google. So let me just do that real quick. Okay, I'm done with this. Let me just close my Google. So yeah, I signed it in here. So you have this thing pop up, and then you just have to choose a picture. So that's fine. I have two pictures right here that I pre-made. They are my pictures. I photo them. So yeah, if anybody is interested. So yeah, let's just go here. Pictures library. It will automatically put it in pictures on your PC, but I'll just click desktop and let me put this picture, which is some orange trees behind a fence, which I think looked cool. So yeah, I'm not an advanced person at all this stuff, but it's pretty damn easy. I think I'll want just something with nature maybe. This is a bit too much. I mean, you could do something like that, but just like reduce the effect. You see how that looks? That looks a bit more pleasing to the eye. Um, I'll just go something like that. I'm just gonna leave it at normal. Let me show you how it's done. So if you don't want anything, you want to remove the effect, just click normal, and then you're done. You can have multiple effects on top, but yeah, I'll just use something like that, vibrant, and I just reduce the effect. That looks cool. You see the difference? It looks much greener, right? That's how it looks in real life. Depending on your camera, you're gonna have different results. So I have a Nikon camera. I think their colors are not as vibrant as a Canon camera, so I need to do some editing on the colors, but uh, this looks pretty damn good, isn't it? We could also go for spring and just like reduce the effect, something like that to suit it. That looks also really good. That represents it really well, like it actually looks in real life. Um, let's try some more. Um, Dream could also work. Just do it something like that. That also looks good. They're all very similar, it's just like how much you're actually doing. You could also go something like this, something crazy, but you just have to really get it right. That still looks fake, so I'm not gonna use that one. Vivid could be good. Vivid, if you want to make this like dreamy feeling, let me just get the right thing. Um, this looks nice, I guess. Yeah, this looks nice. Um, so yeah, what you also could do if you're into new photography, let me just remove this back to normal. Uh, so this is normal. You see the colors are really not how they look in real life. That's why we use effects, because in effects you can do this green color that actually looks in real life. This is how it looks in real life. It doesn't look like that. It has just a bit of color that it needs to. But anyway, you have all this stuff. But if you're into neo photography, you could do something like like that, where you just like, I don't know if that's gonna work. This doesn't work really. Let me just get a photo that I think will show you how this looks. Be right back. Blue, green, red. So I had this photo, which was a thing like that. I don't know how this is called, but what I did with this program, I chose this red tone. Of course, there isn't a lot of red, but it just puts the red color. It makes everything black and white, the rest. Makes it black, should I say better. So only the red color pops out, or only the purple colors pops out. So what I did with here is I only put the red color to pop out, and you see this like this modern look of a modern art, you know. It just like shows it and highlights the area which you want to do. It only works if you really know what you're doing and the photo is nice. Like as we can see here, nothing really works on here, you know, this looks really bad. So you just don't want to do that on a kind of photo like that, the pop color. It's for something that's like crazy, you know, you have a lot of this color on top, like just having the orange on this small orange is not gonna make a difference. You need something like that or something which covers the whole picture. So this is something that will work out. And after you're done, let me just put a small effect here. Just go vibrant. I think that that looks good enough. You could crop it as much as you want. I'm not gonna crop it, but you can also do it for an Instagram post and stuff like that. Which YouTube channel art? You can even do YouTube channel art. That's crazy. Then you can, if you're really this type of guy who does this stuff, you could do that as well. You could do the blacks. I don't know how that works, but you could do something like that. I'm not sure. You can do the color details. You can do everything here. You can do spot heal, remove a red eyes. You can even add, how do you call it? The edges, the frames, stuff like that. If you like, let me just see something. Let me just add something real quick. I want to make it something like that. Yeah, that so that looks cool, I guess. So yeah, after you've done all this, what you could do is you can also go to the settings and um, when you're exporting, change the quality. I want it to be very high. I want it to be maximum actually. So I'll do that. Um, Original size of the picture. Uh, then I'm gonna go. I could do this stuff as well, and then I'm just gonna go save. Um, I'm gonna go to my desktop. Photo of orange trees. Just gonna save it, and now it should be here. Let me just check that it's true. Let me just compare this. We can compare this real quick. Uh, Okay, so let me just compare this. So you see the color is a lot better here. You see the color is like how it's supposed to be. You see this wire looks better as it's supposed to be. The bark looks better. So because of that, this black outline doesn't really fit with this picture, but it still could be used like if you're making a postcard or something, like just sending it or putting it on the fridge, you know. But yeah, you get the point. Um, so after you've done that, basically what you can do is just like close the program and you're done. Simple as that. So yeah, if you did enjoy this tutorial, how to work with this program, leave a like because it really helps me out and feel free to subscribe.